Welcome to script jobs for ScriptRunner for Bitbucket server. Script jobs allow you to run your own script at regular intervals. Think of it as a cron job, but for Bitbucket server. In this demo, we're going to show you how we can deactivate a user at a specified time in the future. This is useful for when you want to free up licenses and ensure you don't go over your limit. There's a number of script jobs we provide out of the box. You can even write your own custom script job. In this example, we're going to use the deactivate users one. We specify the user we want to run the script job as. In this case, it's Adaptivist admin. We add a note to remember what the script job's for. We're going to deactivate John Smith, who's a contractor. He'll be leaving the company in 6 months' time. So we set the date, and then we set the time. In this case, it's only John Smith we want to deactivate, but we can provide other users that will be deactivated on the same date. We have the option to run now if we want to do this in bulk for users who have already left the organisation. Or we click add to add the script job that will run on the 26th of October. Great, we can see the script jobs now added. The next run will be in 6 months.